Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, November 28, 2019. Today's video is about Lichfield Cathedral. Lichfield Cathedral is an Anglican cathedral in Lichfield, in the English county of Staffordshire. A cathedral was first built on the site in 700, by Bishop Headda, to house the bones of Saint Chad. The original wooden building was replaced by a Norman cathedral made from stone, which in turn was replaced by the present Gothic structure, begun in 1195. The fabric of the cathedral suffered in the English Civil War, when it was used as a defensive structure. In the 18th century, the interior was extensively remodeled, with major structural work organized by James Wyatt. This involved removing the high altar to make a single worship area consisting of the choir and laity chapel, and adding a massive stone screen at the entrance to the choir. This picture shows the interior of Lichfield Cathedral as seen from the choir, with the cathedral's high altar in the center. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.